Hello ladies and gentlemen, Sami here. So today this video is about Mi 8 Explorer Edition, and I just organized 3 things that you didn't know about it. And I hope you enjoy. The Mi 8 Explorer Edition is exactly the same size as the Mi 8. It features a transparent glass back, but not totally colorless, still with some toning finish. Also, the components used through this back is not literally lying there. That's the trickster part of Mi 8 Explorer Edition, meaning Xiaomi is not just put a translucent back there. The things you see through the back has been optimized for better viewing experience. So the layer order, the structure is generally there. Like on top is mainly for the Qualcomm's processor, the middle is mainly for the battery, and the bottom is for Type-C, a speak port, etc. For the first time you register your fingerprint, you have to use a little bit strength. Keep touching your finger like for 1 second until you feel the vibration, and then lift your finger. It takes some time, or I would say a little bit longer than we usually expect. When you light up the screen, you can see a fingerprint icon here. It's beautiful. When you touch on it, the fingerprint area spreads out. It feels a strong sense of technology, and you can check out the speed. As it's not a physical key, you have to go slowly, put your finger on the right place for ignition. As you all know, Mi 8 Explorer Edition is the first Android phone that features 3D face unlock. You can go to settings, click lock screen and password, and then you can add your 3D facial data. Here is the interface. You have to light up the screen and then stare at the phone in a certain distance from 30 centimeters to 1 meter. And the speed is not that fast though. So that's about the 3 things you might don't know about Mi 8 Explorer Edition, and for more detailed review I will bring you later. Please stay subscribed. See you soon.